Very good morning, students. My name is Mrs. Saila Tenhalli, and I am going to be your English teacher. I am so excited to be teaching you this year. This academic, we are going to have a fabulous year of learning. Before knowing about you, first I will tell a little about me. I was born in Vijayapur. I have completed my whole education in Vijayapur itself. First, I have completed my primary and high school also in Vijaypur only, and I have completed my PUC and degree in SICAP College, and I have completed my Master of Arts in Kovempu University. I have been teaching since from 10 to 11 years in one of the best school, that is St. Joseph's English Medium School. So, now let me tell you about our subject. English is thought to be one of the most important language in the world. One of the reason is that English is the spoken as the first language in many countries. In this academic year, totally we are having 14 chapters. Among these, 7 chapters are there for first semester and another 7 chapters are there for second semester. So let's see which are those chapters. First we will see first semester chapters. In first semester, totally we are having 3 poems and 4 lessons. So let's see first poem. So your first poem is All Things Bright and Beautiful. In this poem, we will learn who has created the things which are around us. Okay. So second one lesson is nesting season and nest. In this lesson, we will learn how and where birds are going to build their nest and what are the materials the birds are using to build their nest. This is very interesting lesson. Okay. Yes. So third lesson is cooking the khichdi. Yes. Look at here. How Birbal will give justice to poor Brahmin. In this lesson, we will learn how the Birbal will give the justice to poor Brahmin, and as well as how Birbal is going to realize the mistake of King Akbar. Moving to the next one, that is fourth poem, Water Cycle. In this poem, we will learn the process of water cycle. Okay. Then fifth one lesson is who's lazy? Me? Yes, this is a very interesting story of a clever rabbit and how the rabbit is going to make other animals to do his work. Okay, how the rabbit is going to take the work from the other animals. We will learn in this story. Okay, so next one is a letter to grown-ups. In this poem, children are writing a letter or requesting the grown-ups to keep the environment clean and to save the environment. Okay, so last one, seventh lesson. In the first semester, this is the last lesson. Appearances are deceptive. In this lesson, we will learn one must not boast of the personal look as it could be deceptive. Okay, so let's move to the second semester. This is your second semester textbook. Okay, yes, in the second semester you are having the poem that is 8th poem, The Hedgehog and His Coat. In this poem, we will learn the different types of birds and animals' coats and how the animals and birds are going to protect themselves. Okay. Then 9th lesson is Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. In this lesson, we will learn about the Mahatma Gandhi childhood and how the whole world has recognized the Mahatma Gandhi. Then moving to the next lesson, 10th lesson, Rashmi's gift. This is also a very interesting lesson. And in this lesson, we will learn about the Nani and Rashmi. Okay, and as well as we will learn the importance of planting the plants. Okay, then 11th poem, The Little Green Frog. In this poem, we will learn about the frog and bird. Then 12th lesson is how the chipmunk got its stripes. This is your 12th lesson. It is a very fantastic story of chipmunk and bear. And as well as we will learn how chipmunk got stripes. Okay, and moving to the 13th poem. In this poem, we will learn about the sheep. We will learn about the sheep. Okay, and what does the sheep do the whole day and how it is useful to us. Then moving to the last lesson. This is your 14th lesson and this is the last lesson in the second semester. The fox and the elephant. It is also wonderful story of elephant and fox. In this story, we will learn about the cruel and arrogant elephant and how the fox planned to kill the elephant. So, these all are your 14 chapters in your English subject. Okay, which we are going to learn in this academic year. Okay, so dear students, you all have to buy the notebooks for this English subject. So you have to purchase 200 pages 4-line notebook for English classwork and 100-page notebook for English homework. Okay, until then you all have to stay home and stay safe. And whenever you want to go out, you have to wear your mask compulsorily. Okay. So, thank you children. Have a nice day.